guys, welcome back to the CherokStars Racing YouTube channel. Today we're going to take a look at the Monit rally computer. This is the G-100 Plus model. We're going to take a look at what's inside, show you guys a little bit about what comes with the this package, and also show you a little bit about what the other attachments, the GPS unit and the mount that we got for our rally car. All right, let's get to it. And like I said, this is the Monit Rally computer, G-100 Plus. Ordered it just a few days ago from Tweeks online, and it was really fast shipping. I know they're located out of the UK, but it literally got here probably within 4 days, I would say. So as we unbox the Rally computer, just slide the package off, the cover off. We have the instruction manual here that comes with it. This covers the 200 plus and the 100 plus unit. Set that aside. We have a small bag of hardware. This is your connection that connects the Rally computer to your power. So in this case, 12 volt within the car, or we'll wire it directly to the battery. Within the instructions, they said that we should wire it directly to a power source and not to your ignition or something like that, because the signal, the GPS signal, could take up to 12 minutes to acquire. So you kind of want to have that running and not have that reset every time you turn off the car. So set that aside. I'll take the computer out. This is the connection for your power. This is the connection for the GPS head unit. This also does any additional switches that you may want. So you can get pedal mounted switches for your co-driver if you want to reset by just simply pushing a button on the floor of your rally car. A couple of stickers, and that's it. Our plan for this rally computer is to mount it on the door. Our co-driver sits quite a ways back, and I don't think anything that's mounted actually on the dash is going to be in reach when all the harnesses are buckled. So Monit also provides a really nice door mount for the rally computer. So once everything is kind of wired in and we have everything measured up and in place, this will connect to the door right here, and then your computer will attach to the back of this bracket. You'll use the included hardware to mount that, connect the wire here, and then to your power unit, and then you'll have power. So this is an additional bracket. So everything that came with the box here is just the computer, the wiring harness, and the hardware. This bracket is extra. You can also choose to purchase a dash mount, which is obviously square, not angled. So this allows you to actually have a really nice display, depending on what side of the car you'd like it on. So it has a really nice angle for when it's mounted on the door. You can kind of see the angle there. So that's separate, but you'll definitely want one of those brackets. And then for us, because we've heard good things about this unit and the GPS signal and the accuracy, we decided to go with just the bulkhead GPS unit. So this is the information here for the bulkhead GPS unit. So opening that up, we have the just real simple instructions that's included. Small bag of hardware. and the unit itself. So this ultimately will get mounted. We'll have to drill through the roof of the car, which is no big deal. Has a really nice rubber gasket. Right here you can kind of see. So it should create a real nice tight seal around that. Not super worried about any water getting in. It'll tighten down with the nice washer and nut. And again, we've had other rallyists in the community that have been using this with no issues thus far. So it's really nice. Comes with a really long, I forget the exact length of this wire, but it should be plenty to go from where we are looking to wire it and then to your computer right here. Simple sort of mini coax connection here, and that's it. So once this is connected, and then obviously once we have our power, and we'll just be using, for our purposes, we're just going to be using the red and the black, obviously positive and negative. These are the two connections for your optional switches or reset buttons if you'd like, these two here. And then the green is for your fuel sensor. If you take a look at the packaging, so the G-100 Plus, which is not this model, also gives you some added functionality, but the price point is quite a bit more expensive. I think the G-100 is like mid 400s, and the G-200 I think is well over 600. So it's, I think, about $200 difference. We're not looking to really leverage too much of that added functionality, so we just went with the G-100, which should give us accurate distance, max speed, not average speed. That's only included with the 200 model. Built-in stopwatch, which will be kind of nice to have on the display. And again, powerful fuel system gauge, and the time of day is only available with the 200 unit, but we have stopwatches and other means of tracking time right with our co-driver. So okay guys, so hope you enjoyed the unboxing of the Monit G100 Plus. Like I said, we're going to be installing this within the next couple of days. So we'll give you a nice video of the install, show you this finished product and how we wired it up. But it should be really simple, just basically 3 wires wired to our battery in the car. All right, see you soon.